Oh dear. Hi everyone, welcome back to a kind of a different video on my channel. As you can see, we're talking face to face today because I am taking on the massive job of completely cleaning my room. I'm home for holiday break right now. I just had this massive inspiration to completely clean my space. I started doing it last night and I realized it's a way bigger job than I thought it would be. So I'm partially making this video because I think it'll help me finish what I started, but I hope it'll also help some of you guys if you need inspiration. I wanted to get this space completely clean before I go back to school, and since it's the turn of the year, I figured what better time to do it. It's gonna be very hard showing all of my mess on the internet, but I also think it'll be really helpful to keep me motivated to finish. Getting rid of stuff makes you feel like you have more room to grow into, and that's kind of what I'm really hoping for, is to hopefully not only organize the stuff that I have, but to get rid of some things that I don't need anymore. So let's get started. I think the first thing I need to do really is to make my bed. So I just got back from Colorado and I started to unpack, as you can see, but I have a lot left to do. And I also have a lot of laundry to fold, so I think that's gonna be our next job. I think my least favorite thing has to be pairing socks, because like I have like a million socks that are white, but then like they don't all match together. Like these two white socks are not the same white socks. I think the time has come. I have to do my desk. So as for the rest of my room, I pretty much have to do my dresser area, my nightstand, and then there's this corner that I pretty much just avoid at all costs. Okay, so it's almost 4 and I've been going at this for about an hour. It doesn't really look like I've accomplished a whole lot. The last area I want to do is this corner right here. I've kind of been leaving this till the last moment because I didn't really want to do it. We did it. Tell me why you keep moving, little Okay, so we did it. Got my entire room clean. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you found it interesting. I know it's not the normal. I need to turn my fan off. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. It's a little bit different and I had a lot of fun making it. I wasn't expecting to film this at all today. I just got inspired. Either way, I will see you guys next week with another new video. Bye guys.